Hey everyone, and welcome to or back to my channel. So today I'm back with a super exciting video. I'm going to be doing a getting my life together post-travel reset vlog. I just got back from almost 2 weeks in Europe last night at 10 p.m. and that was after being up for almost 30 hours. So I definitely need to take some time to get organized. I need to unpack, clean, a little bit of self-care, grocery shopping, and I actually am partnering with Thrive Market on this video. So thank you so much to Thrive Market for sponsoring. Lots of things to do, so I'm going to be taking you guys along with. I'm about to go into a nail and lash appointment. I have lash extensions, so I got them for the trip, so I just need to get them filled. So I'm about to do that. This morning, I just kind of had like a relaxing, slow morning and took it easy with some self-care. Last night, the first thing I did was get in the shower. My fake tan was looking so bad, literally looked like this. And I just scrubbed all of it off, took a shower. I was feeling so dirty and sweaty and gross from just lots of like planes and 30 hours almost of travel. And it was so hot in Europe. It was like a heat wave and there's no air conditioning. So I was just feeling so sticky. So while I was in the shower, I just exfoliated my fake tan, applied a fresh layer. So now I'm feeling glowy and tan. Dried my hair. My hair feels like fluffy and clean. I wore my hair natural like the whole trip, so it's just nice to have fluffy, clean hair. Yeah, now I'm gonna go get my lashes and nails done and I'll just feel nice and fresh. My appointment starts right now, so I'm gonna go in and I'll just talk to you guys afterwards. I did get a coffee. This is from my favorite coffee shop and they've been closed for months and they opened back up while I was gone. I have been craving a good iced vanilla latte, and again, this is from my favorite coffee shop and they've been closed, so I'm so excited. I'm gonna drink this during my appointment. So excited. So it is a little bit later. I just got done with my nails and lash appointment. I'm obsessed with my nails. I think they look so cute. So I did like the Hailey Bieber nails that are really popular right now. I kind of had similar-ish nails before this. I did like pink with chrome on top, but this time I did like a really sheer pink instead of like a more opaque pink. And I just think they look so good. They're kind of like natural, but still kind of fun. Probably my most favorite nails ever. I literally say that every single time. Genuinely, but I'm so obsessed with them. And then I just got my lashes filled. I did a less wing this time and I think they look really good. My makeup is kind of like all come off from like the like tape and stuff, so I think I'm just gonna go home and fix that. My sister is actually in town, so I think I'm just gonna spend some time with her tonight and do some more like cleaning and stuff maybe tomorrow. I think my Thrive Market order is gonna get delivered tomorrow morning, so I'll have some groceries. I think I'm gonna finish all of that up tomorrow and just kind of take the rest of today easy, just kind of slowly getting back into a routine. So that is kind of like the first step of the post-vacation reset, is just a little self-care. That is lashes and nails. I think they look so cute. Definitely recommend trying out these nails. I'm so obsessed. I'll just check in with you guys tomorrow. Been cleaning and unpacking, kind of getting my life together. It feels so good after a long trip to kind of get organized and get everything in order. It's also like really rainy and gloomy outside, so I just kind of have some candles and music going and it's just a very nice, relaxing but productive day. I've been like relaxing over the last like 2 weeks, so it's just kind of nice to have a good productive day. I kind of left my apartment a mess when I left for my trip because I was just like very chaotic trying to get everything packed before I left. So I've just been cleaning, and yeah, now that everything is kind of picked up, I still need to kind of deep clean, wipe all the surfaces down, maybe even like vacuum and stuff as well. Wash my makeup brushes. They're so dirty after 2 weeks of using them. I have a pretty long to-do list. I actually got my Thrive Market order, so I just wanted to show you guys. I don't really have any groceries since I've been gone for 2 weeks, so it just worked out perfectly. I kind of ordered it when I was on the plane, actually, on my way back, so they would just be here right when I got back. So I'll show you guys what I ordered. After being gone for almost 2 weeks, I was really in need of some groceries, so I'm really excited that my Thrive Market order already came in the mail. And actually, I'm partnering with Thrive Market on this video, so thank you so much to Thrive Market for sponsoring. I love Thrive Market for picking up some of my favorite snacks since they're a little bit more affordable. It's so much easier to just get it delivered right to my house than going to the grocery store. I just love the convenience of it. Orders over $49 are free shipping. They have so many good like organic snacks, so some snacks that are going to be actually like good and healthy. And if you haven't heard of Thrive Market, it is an online membership-based grocery store that is on a mission to make healthy living easy and affordable for everyone. Organic groceries can be expensive, but Thrive Market can help cut your grocery bill by 30%. You can shop for thousands of the best-selling organic foods and natural products below traditional retail prices. If you find a better price elsewhere, they will match it. And as I unbox, I'll show you how much I personally saved on my order. They have an amazing selection of snacks, organic groceries, eco-friendly cleaning supplies, non-toxic beauty items, personal care items, organic kid products, wine, meat, seafood, frozen veggies, and literally so much more. You can filter the catalog of products by lifestyle, diet, favorite brands, and even product type. Whether you're gluten-free, vegan, keto, you can shop by over 90 plus diets and values. It really just helps you save time and find the products you're looking for. It's super easy to get started. They have a monthly membership option and a yearly membership option for $59.95, which averages out to $5 a month. It's literally like the price of a coffee per month, and you get so much with that. Convenience, amazing products. Definitely make sure to click the link in my description box, or you can go to thrivemarket.com/EmilyGrace. Get 30% off your first order and a free gift worth up to $50 when you join Thrive Market today. So definitely make sure to check it out. Time to actually unbox and show you guys what I picked up. Here's everything I ordered from Thrive Market. This is all part of a free gift that I got. There's a little cookbook which has a lot of really good recipes in it. The gift also came with organic no soy teriyaki, as well as this sauce, avocado oil, which is super nice, and then this Whole30 dip/dressing, this nut and seed butter with like 7 different kinds of seeds and nuts. I ordered these ciabatta rolls. I love ciabatta rolls for sandwiches, and then I also picked up some hemp hearts. I love Sun Life Organics in LA, and their acai bowls have these, and I can never find them anywhere when I'm trying to like recreate my own, so I was really excited to see these on Thrive Market. I also got this granola. It's organic whole grain granola. It's gluten-free and it's kind of like a vanilla. It says toasted vanilla crunch. I also got these cookies, which I'm really excited to try. They look so good. They had really good reviews as well, and I think they're like kind of healthy cookies as well. I also got these Kind granola bars. They're peanut butter and dark chocolate, also gluten-free. I just absolutely love these. They're kind of like my go-to granola bars, and I like them for just like on the go. I also got some of these pretzel chips. I literally love these. They are so good and one of my favorite snacks, so I just thought I would pick these up. I'll put like my Thrive Market savings on the screen so you can see how the price compares to other retailers. I also picked up some of these creamy peanut butter filled pretzel nuggets. These just looked so good, and I have been waiting for my order to come so I could try these because they honestly just look so good. Peanut butter and pretzels, 2 of my favorite things. I also picked up some of these grain-free tortilla chips in sea salt flavor, so I just picked these up, as well as some organic salsa, mild. I just thought some chips and salsa would be a nice little snack, and literally just love chips and salsa. I also just picked up some of this, some truffle mayonnaise. Like, how good does this sound? I ordered some truffle fries a couple times during my trip, and I've been kind of craving the truffle flavor since. I also got some of this tomato basil sauce just for some pasta. I feel like pasta is just a really good, easy go-to meal. I also just picked up some paper towels. I feel like I'm kind of low on paper towels and I'm gonna be doing a lot of cleaning. I just go through paper towels so quick. It's nice that they have both groceries and home, so you can kind of get a little bit of both. Lastly, I just picked up some of this hand sanitizer. It's an organic hand sanitizer. I believe I heard that this one was really good somewhere. I also think I heard that it does not dry your hands out as much. The lavender just seems like it would smell really good, and I love the ones that spray out like this to keep in my purse or my car. That is everything that I ordered from Thrive Market. Definitely make sure to check it out for yourself. I'm gonna have it linked below at the very top of my description, or you can go to thrivemarket.com/EmilyGrace to get 30% off your first order and a free gift worth up to $50 when you join Thrive Market today. I'm gonna put all these groceries away and get back to cleaning. I am pretty much done cleaning. My apartment is looking much better. I still have a lot of laundry to do, but I am working through it. I do actually have several packages that came while I was gone, so I thought I would do a little unboxing. Some of these I ordered, some of them are PR, some of them are for future like collabs and videos. First off are these packages from Casetify. Cute little Casetify wrapping paper. It's literally like Christmas. Love Casetify cases. They're literally so cute. This is what they look like. So I have this one. I got this one. It's kind of like little dainty flowers. This one, I feel like it's really summery. I think this one is really cute as well. These ones are so cute as well. And they usually send like little screen protectors. These ones are also so cute. I got this one. I have had my eye on this one for so long. I think it's so cute. I did this one. It's just clear and it says Emily in this hot pink font. And then I also got this one. It just says Emily in like this white kind of like script font. I also thought this one was super cute. My sister was actually looking at this a while ago and I thought it was really cute, so I picked it up. Yeah, I don't know which one I'm gonna use first. They're literally all so cute. I also purchased some more Loving Tan. I pick tan pretty much every single week, and I actually do have a discount code with them. You can use code EmilyGrace for a free mitt. So you can get this for free, the deluxe applicator mitt. It's a really good like velvety mitt that just applies it very smooth. I just ordered 2 of the 2 Hour Express Deluxe Bronzing Mousse is in dark. That's pretty much what I use every time. I also got a package from Laura Mercier. So this is just like a PR package. So it's gonna be a complete surprise. It is a new translucent loose setting powder with ultra blurring. I love the translucent loose powder. I use it every single day. I was actually out of it before my trip, so I had to go get a new one last minute. And I use their blurring primer. I feel like I'm gonna love this. I already love it. So, oh my gosh. A disposable camera, translucent loose setting powder, ultra blur, blurs and sets makeup for 16 hours, talc free, no photo flashback. I see why they include, that is so much fun. So you can try out your makeup. That is so much fun. I love when they include like fun stuff like this. Laura Mercier always has really fun PR packages. Ooh, I love the packaging. It's kind of like matte pink. I'm very, very excited to try this. I do have a huge package from Princess Polly. I'm gonna be doing a huge Princess Polly haul in a couple days, but I am just gonna like kind of briefly open it and give you a little sneak peek. Oh my gosh, everything looks so cute. Can we just? I'm already obsessed with this hot pink tank top. Definitely stay tuned for that Princess Polly haul. Like I said, it'll be up in a couple days. Lastly, I got this package from Buffy. They actually gifted me a new comforter, which is so nice. I have a bunch of boxes on my bed, so I will show you what that looks like once I actually get it on my bed. It feels like super fluffy and nice, so I am really excited. Everything was clean, but I just made a mess again, unboxing everything. So now I need to clean that up. And then I'm just gonna take some time to answer some emails and do a little bit of planning, scheduling on my calendar, like time blocking, and just get organized mentally. And then I think that is pretty much everything I'm gonna do to kind of reset after vacation. I'm feeling so much better, so much more organized. I think that is actually everything for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you did enjoy, and if you'd like to see more videos like this on my channel. Comment below some things you like to do to get organized. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26. Definitely make sure to check out Thrive Market. I'm gonna have it linked below at the very top of my description, so you can just click the link in my description box below, or go to thrivemarket.com/emilygrace to get 30% off your first order and a free gift worth up to $50 when you join Thrive Market today. I think you guys would absolutely love it. I personally love it. It's so convenient, affordable, and just overall amazing. Thank you so much to Thrive Market for sponsoring, and thank you guys so much for watching. Comment this emoji if you stayed until this point in the video, and I will see you in a couple days for my next one. Bye.